What's up, guys? Back again. Today's plan is going to be bolting up the flywheel, the clutch, and the shifter relocation. After all that's done, I'm going to try to put it back into the shell. I'm going to unbolt the tranny and try to get it out of the JZ. The engine shouldn't go anywhere when I unbolt these. At least I hope so. Right over here, so I have some leverage to get to those bottom bolts, because I don't want to put the cherry picker on. I'm confident it shouldn't fall over. Wish my jack sat straight. Shake test. That's fine, I guess. Cool. It's still in there, but I'm pretty sure I can get the other bolts. Hold this before I bent the bolt. Oh, hopefully I didn't damage that bolt. Jeez. We're good, boys. Bolt is fine. All right. These rocks laying around because we're doing gardening right now. Perfect thing to use to get the engine on. This is fairly difficult with one person. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Perfect. It's not going anywhere. Maybe I should have took the tire out. That's fine. I think I can work around it. It is a Blue String Hot 1. Flywheel right here. There's the shifter relocation right here. And some bolts for the Collins kit. Clutch right here. Go ahead and move all the stuff up to the front. Finally, time to unwrap the Collins flywheel. Probably not the best tool, but I don't want to run inside to get some scissors. It'll work. Tabs on so I don't accidentally damage it. Check this out. Beautiful piece. Alright, let's mock it up onto the JZ. As you can see, I already have the pilot bearing in there. It was a pain, but I got it done. Just like that. Just make sure it's in there straight. tire in the way. It's kind of hard to see where the bolts line up. Yeah, it's not straight. There you go. Collins provides the flywheel bolts right in the back. Now that the flywheel is lined up with the bolts, just take these bolts and just put some lock thread on it. I'm not going to use a lot because this stuff is pretty brutal. Now that's on there. Make sure you guys tighten them in a crisscross pattern. I'm going to hand tighten them for now, and then I'll torque them later. Kind of just have to take your time with this one. Beautiful. All right, now that the flywheel is sitting in there flat, I'm gonna go ahead and torque them down. This kit recommends torquing it down to 20 foot-pounds of torque. Then after that, you would want to move up to 40 foot-pounds of torque. And then right after that, you want to finish up with 56 foot-pounds of torque. And remember, go in a crisscross pattern. Since I'm doing this by myself, I don't have someone holding this flywheel while I tighten up the bolts. I gotta get creative. This is what I did. I put a 22 mil wrench on here and just pop this bolt out just a little bit, enough to where it clips onto it, so I can tighten up the flywheel without it, spinning around. We're supposed to put a little bit of grease around these flywheel bolts, just on the outside, so it doesn't throw off the little readings on the torque wrench, but I trust this enough. Take some brake cleaner and clean off the surface of the flywheel. The clutch max pressure plate, as you can tell, it is filthy. I don't know what happened to this, but look at that. Definitely need to clean that up before you install that, obviously. Well, I got it cleaned up as much as I can. As you can tell, it's not the greatest, but yeah, better than nothing. Simply line it up with the guiding pins on the side. Oops. Well, that's pretty cool. A little scratched up here, but that's nice. A very simple instruction guides in the box. Hit it with some grease. Got this little piece out. Just gonna lube it up. Onto the little ball joint right here. Oops. trouble I had getting this little pin out. My god, I broke like 2 bolts trying to like pop it in there because they kept bending here and there, and then I guess this one did it. Use that hammer. Oh my god, that was not fun. It should just pop right out. There it goes. That to the side. Clean up the little oil right there. Got this little elbow from the kit. Just slide it on there. Use this nut to just keep it in place. Okay. I'm gonna mark that up right here. I'm gonna use these scissors to scratch it up since I don't have one of those paint markers. This will leave a good line. I mean, I'm gonna cut it anyway, so I'm not too worried about the scratches. That actually turned out pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna get the angle grinder and then cut that little piece off. Don't flake on safety, guys. Put a bolt from the bottom just so it's not moving around while I actually try to punch this in. Give it some little taps. Looking good. Yep. Well, I don't have enough time to bolt it on and actually throw it back into the shell today, so I'm pretty disappointed I didn't get to finish what I actually wanted to do, but that's fine. This gets me more determined to do it, I guess, the next day. Definitely will be putting that back in there tomorrow. Stay tuned, guys.